Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Why did you stop?
See that? Call the stop sign. You're supposed to stop.
You stopped here.
Yeah, but you drove through the stop sign. I drove through and you were on my ass.
You stopped. You intentionally stopped. Goodness. Why did you stop in the middle of the intersection?
Why did you drive through the stop sign?
I stopped.
You did not stop. 3 seconds.
I stopped.
After I go, 3 seconds after.
I didn't stop here. What's the reason for stopping?
You stop?
I have a dashcam on here.
Yeah, so do I.
I have dashcam.
So, insurance?
I need your insurance too.
Yeah, no, I'm driving it.
Let my bucket swerve, I'm taking off from the curb. The nervousness, neglect, make me pack a tag. Devoted to serving this moet and paychecks. Like a guy satellite and forever ballin'. It ain't right, parasites, triggers and fleas crawling. Suck a duck and get busted, no emotion. My devotion is handling my business. Keep on coasting, where you going? I've been there, came back as lonely, homie, steady flowing again.
You're about to get pulled over. That is hilarious. An idiot. That cop forgot they were a cop for a second. They threw up their hands like, what the heck are you doing?
It's like, huh? It's like, oh shit! Oh! Wow.
Whoa! So, that
enemies in range. On its own, the ability doesn't really sound that useful aside from giving you some time to heal or run away. However, if you
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.